Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens from the 18th right till the 24th. 2 are done in store, 2 are done curbside. The first ones that we're going to tackle are curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up at the photo counter. And that is your curbside pickup. A lot of you prefer to shop this way because you can use little discount codes and it's fantastic. So the first deal we're going to look at is deal number 1, curbside. For this one, we're going to grab Old Faithful. That is a Scott toilet paper. And we're also going to grab a paper towel, and it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So $5 for the first, $2.50 for the second, and it's just some cheaper paper whenever the dollar digital coupons show up for these guys. It's always really fantastic to get them cheap. And then you're going to make sure you have these 2 guys loaded. Now, I know they were available last week, so if you used them last week, sorry, Charlie. They're of a one-time use, so I apologize about that. And then we're also going to throw into the mix our old friend, which is this guy, the Scott 9 Mega for $10. And as you see right there, we have a $2 digital attaching. So please make sure you have that guy loaded. And just to give you a peek, this is what the coupon looks like. And I know a lot of you really prefer Cottonelle. It is more of a premium brand of toilet paper. You can't deny that. So just to show you, we have Scott, Cottonelle, and then using the code WAG10, another $1.35. I think Cross 10 is another one you could use if WAG10 is not applying. The overall summary for this, it's $17.50, $1.35 with WAG10, $4 in manufacturer's melting off. So the total here is $13.12. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $3.12. I think it's a very reasonable and sensible deal. Deal that we're looking at, we're still doing this one curbside, and this is either with the $3.99 toilet paper or the $3.99 paper towel by the Walgreens brand. Now, if you want to mix and match, absolutely go for it, but you're going to put 3 of them into your cart for $11.97. Using the code WAG10, an extra $1.20 is melting off for you. And just to show you this, $11.97, $1.20 off, a little bit of tax for me, so the total is $11.42. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you might have it, use it and pay $1.42. I mean, even if you wanted to double this, use $20 in Walgreens cash and get 6 things of paper, mix and match, obviously, if you want to. It's a very good stock up price. Next 2 deals that we're looking at are in store because you're getting back a register reward when you purchase 2 of either the Vanity Fair or the Brownies. This deal for the napkins is the 80 counters. Find them where the Ziploc and the complete home food storage bags are. They're $3.49. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. Currently for this product, we have a 50-cent digital, so this is the one that you're going to want to load for this dealio. Unfortunately, we only have this digital coupon, but grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $6.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3.48 for the 2 or $1.74 per 80 count of these napkins, which is not the worst price point. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but you're doing this one in store because of that $3 register reward. Now, also on the same promotion is the Brawny. So if you were going to do the Vanity Fair and the Brawny, 2 separate transactions to get that register reward to print for you twice. That's very important to pay attention to that detail. Now, again, it's on the same promotion. If you look at this, it is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. So we are going to grab 2 of them and make sure these 2 coupons are loaded. We have a 2 off of 1 and a $1 off 1. So that's $3 right there in digital coupons melting off. So we're very pleased about that. And Brawny is a very good paper towel. So grabbing 2 of those for $13.98, they're $6.99 a pop. Subtracting $3 in digital coupons, you're going to pay $10.98, get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per 2-pack of these brawny paper towels. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but it's the sort of paper towel that will last you a good long time, because I think it's like 3 times the size of a regular paper towel. Whatever the paper towel math is, they are quite spectacular. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you want to watch yesterday's curbside video, I will link it right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.